Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Curly Tech, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review on the TPH Taraji P. Henson line that you can get at Target. Now, I have not been to Target recently due to the whole COVID-19 thing, but I did go there today to pick up some supplies, and I saw this and I had to get it. So if you want to know my thoughts on it, keep watching. Okay guys, so we're going to jump right into the video. Like I said in the intro, I was at Target today getting some supplies. I can't find paper towels anywhere, you guys, so who got the hookup? Let me know.
So, what y'all doing with the paper towels?
Alright, but I was walking past the hair care section because, you know, why would I not do that while I'm at Target? And I saw some colorful bottles and I was like, I haven't seen that before. Let me stop and check it out. So I stopped and looked and I was like, oh, okay. This stuff's by Taraji. I love her. That girl cool. So if she watches this video, we could be friends, right? My local Target that I was at only carried a handful of the line, but I guess there are like 14, I think, products maybe in the line, ranging from like shampoos, conditioners, oils, stylers, gels, I think. Just a whole bunch of different products. You got a wide variety of products in the line, which is great. Sorry guys if you can hear the lawnmower. I think my neighbor is out mowing his grass right now. A little loud, but it's okay. We're gonna keep it pushing. So I stopped, I saw the line. I figured I'd grab just a couple products while I was there. I see, reading on the line a little bit, it is geared more towards like scalp care, along with obviously hair care, but it says, like on our website, the healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, which is very important. And I know a lot of the stuff is like made for like if you're wearing weave or braids or like crochet, that type of thing, to kind of help get up underneath the hair and into your scalp, which is wonderful. Right now my scalp has been very dry. I know my hair is really dry right now just from the color and stuff like that. So I am doing all that I can to kind of help bring some moisture back into my hair. I just picked up 3 different things for today just because they only had like a shampoo, conditioner. They didn't have any stylers at the Target that I was at today. They just had shampoo, conditioner, a mask, the oil, and like a couple like the scrubs for the scalp and such things. So unfortunately no stylers, so I can't give like a whole product review, but I figured I'd come on and talk to you about the 3 products that I do have today, and then maybe if I go to another Target eventually, I can see if they have her other products and I can give you a review on those as well. So if that's something you want to see, definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know. Alright, so starting out, the first product I got, it is the Never Salty sugar-based scalp and hair scrub. Now, I've never done a scalp scrub before, so this is pretty cool. It's to renew, exfoliate, and calm. It is for all hair types, and it has like a little chart here at the bottom, ranging from like straight, wavy, curly, and coily. All the stuff in her line is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, SLS, SLES-free, which I don't know what that is. I'll link that in like the box here to kind of give you a better thing. But the sugar scrub, it comes in this nifty like cap here, because like I said, a lot of her bottles are geared for that. I can't get the lid off. Woo! Oh, this one's kind of open, but it's okay. Ooh, this smells delicious, y'all. So as you can see, the cap's kind of funky. It has these 2 little humps here, and the product comes out of these little holes. There is a little product right here. Ooh, it's very smooth. I can obviously feel the crystals from the sugar here, and it smells really good. It's very like pepperminty. Yes, it's very like pepperminty, which is really nice. I can see this being very soothing for the scalp. So on the back here, it does say that it is infused with sugar crystals, apple cider vinegar, coconut, and peppermint oils. And it says always sweet, never salty. Never salty is an ooey gooey sugar scrub that helps to unclog and cleanse the scalp for a clean, refreshed, and happy feel. The Duo Touch tube provides low mess application, while the gentle exfoliator transforms into a balm as you work it in and easily rinses out. Nobody likes a flake. Build yourself a flake-free foundation for healthier looking natural hair. And it pretty much just says to take this, apply it to the scalp and roots after sectioning. You move your fingertips in a circular motion to kind of massage, repeat in each section, rinse well. And it does say it turns into like a balm, so I guess you can kind of spread it throughout your hair. But I feel like this is mostly for scalp, so I probably should have picked up the shampoo, but I probably will just do a co-wash with this today to kind of see. But the bottle and the packaging is all very cute. It's very bright colors. All of the bottles that she has are like yellow or blue or red. I think there's a couple purple bottles. Very nice stuff. All right, so for product number 2, I got the Mint Conditioning Tingling Scalp Conditioner. So as you can see, again, it does have a little tri-applicator thing here, and it just comes out of these little holes here at the top, once again, to kind of help get into the scalp really good. It is to replenish, soften, and moisturize, again, for all hair types. And then it does have aloe, shea butter, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint in it. So once again, I'm sure it smells delicious. I don't know if the cap, I don't think the cap comes off, but I'll smell this in the shower and let you guys know. And it does say to twist the cap, put the applicator on the scalp and squeeze, and then you pretty much just rub it into your scalp. And then massage and let it sit for a minute, and then rinse thoroughly. And this says that you're already applying moisturizer to your face, so why ignore your scalp? So once again, it's talking in the description here that it is supposed to be very moisturizing. It says it aids thirsty and dry scalps, especially scalps under weaves and braids. That's the purpose of the little tri-tip applicator here at the top. It pretty much seals in moisture without leaving product buildup behind, and you're supposed to use it after a master cleanse or whenever you need to bring your scalp back to its most pristine state. So, like I said, my scalp and my hair in general are all a little bit dry right now, so I really am looking forward to using those 2 products to kind of see what they do for my scalp. And if I like them, I definitely want to get the shampoo, the conditioner, and a styler. Now, moving on to the last product that I got in the line here, it is the After Dark Overnight Hair Mask. So I've never done an overnight hair mask before, really intrigued to try it. It's supposed to enrich, hydrate, and fortify your hair, and it's made for all hair types again. On the back here, it does say it does have grapeseed oil, horsetail extract, shea butter, and mango seed butter in it. See, I can kind of take this off and give it a smell. It smells like sensual lotion. I guess that's why they called it After Dark. But actually, it smells very good. And it's a very light textured mask, thin, so it's not thick by any means. It does say to apply to clean hair before bedtime and cover with a plastic cap, and then you let it work in overnight and wake up to refreshed hair, rinse out thoroughly. You can also use it as a quick pick-me-up on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. Use once, twice, or 3 times a week. It says follow your bliss. Once again, still vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, all the good stuff that your hair needs, or doesn't need, I guess. And this just says, when the lights turn down, that's when the magic happens. After Dark is a melt into your hair overnight mask that provides deep moisture and love to your locks. This mask helps to optimize vibrancy, fortify strands, and shield hair against future damage. The perfect overnight scenario. I'm excited. Can't wait to try this. I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick, take you guys with me. had to film this ending like 3 times because first my camera wasn't working. I filmed it on my phone, didn't like the quality, so I'm gonna try it again, and now my battery's about to die, so can't really catch a break. So as you guys saw in those previous clips, when I got in the shower, I just put the scrub in, and I know some of those clips are kind of horrible to see. It's a lot harder to film in your shower than you would think. So I put the scrub, I just kind of sectioned my hair a little bit and put it in. And there was another clip where I kind of zoomed in a little bit, and at first I thought I was like had mats in my hair. My hair was just super tangly because where the scrub kind of clumps up, it makes your hair feel really weird. So you have to kind of like really work it into the ends. I would definitely recommend sectioning your hair into smaller sections before you're putting that in. Just because I feel like it would probably help a little bit better. It's kind of hard to feel how much product you're actually putting on your scalp. So I feel like I used quite a bit, but I'm not sure. But after using it, my scalp felt great. It felt amazing. It wasn't too abrasive or too harsh or anything like that. I did put the ion reconstructor on the ends of my hair just because that scrub wasn't really turning into a balm like it said it did. So I put the scrub on, let it sit on for a couple minutes along with that ion reconstructor on my ends, and then I rinsed that out, and then I detangled. Well, I detangled and then I rinsed it out. And then I went in with the mint conditioner, which I love that stuff. It smells delicious. It makes your head nice and tingly, especially doing it after the scrub. Once again, kind of hard to feel how much you're actually like putting onto your hair. But it had a nice slip to it. The smell was great. It made my scalp like really tingly, especially like when cold water would hit it. So that was amazing feeling. I really like the 3-pronged applicator. I feel like it helped distribute it pretty well. So after that, I detangled again and then rinsed out, and then I put the overnight mask in my hair. The texture of it was kind of like a jelly, but like I said, it was a very like thin texture. And then when I put it on in the shower, I felt my hair was like drier. So at first I was kind of worried. I was like, I don't know, I might have to put something thicker on top of it. My hair just felt kind of like straw. So was worried, but I got out of the shower, let it dry overnight. And then when I woke up the next morning, I was running a little bit late for work, so I didn't have time to rinse it out. So I just kind of spritzed my hair with some more water and put a little bit of the mask in again. And then I went to work. And then I came home, and when I came home and rinsed it out, my hair felt great. It was like very fine feeling, which I have fine hair in general. But my hands were able to like slip through it pretty well. I didn't even have to go back and detangle a whole lot. I put my hair up in a bun before I left for work. My comb was able to like go through it very easily. My hair felt very manageable. It felt very soft afterwards. So originally I was worried. Didn't think I was gonna like it just because in the shower it felt weird. But I think just like overnight, like the mask is supposed to, it did a really good job with my hair. Now I didn't have any like her stylers on the lines, but I just styled with my 2 favorite stylers at the moment, which are by Camille Rose. I think this is like day 5 maybe, with some light refreshes. And I mean, my scalp still feels amazing. I don't think I've had a single itch on my scalp since using the products. I know my hair is looking a little crazy. I've been outside doing some yard work and all the crazy stuff, trying to, keep myself active during all of this. But yeah, so would I use those 3 products again? Definitely. Probably definitely going to use them again on my next wash day. And I do want to pick up the shampoo and the conditioner from her line because I want to use as much products from that line that I can, so I can give you guys a whole review. You guys let me know. Have you used any of her products or any of the 3 that I've already used? If you have, definitely let me know down below so we can chit chat about it. Or if you do have any of her stylers or their favorites that you like that I should try. Alright guys, so that's all I have for this video this week. I'll catch y'all next week.